5 amazing facts about cats. Cats are fascinating creatures with numerous intriguing qualities. Here are 5 amazing facts about cats. Night vision. Cats possess exceptional night vision due to a high number of rod cells in their retinas, allowing them to see in light levels 6 times lower than what a human requires. Flexible skeleton. Cats have an astonishingly flexible spine with around 230 to 250 bones, compared to a human's 206. This agility aids in their graceful movements and impressive acrobatics. Purring benefits. Not only do cats purr when content, but it's also a self-soothing mechanism that can promote healing and reduce stress in both themselves and their owners. Speedy reflexes. Cats can react to stimuli in as little as 1/6 th of a second, thanks to their lightning-fast reflexes. Communication. Cats have a complex language of vocalizations, body postures, and tail movements to communicate with humans and other cats. Understanding these cues can lead to better relationships with these enigmatic animals.